A 2008 Dodge pickup here, 4.7. Now, if you're trying to do the spark plugs, you've probably already noticed that the spark plug socket, no matter which one you use, will not fit into the hole. It just doesn't go down. It won't fit in there, so you can get your spark plug. So let me show you what I got. I think I got this from Home Depot. It's a 5/8 socket. It is, there's a number on it, 5020, and it's called a Proto. Los Angeles, made in the USA. This one slides right in there. You can grind down your 5/8 to make it fit, but this one slides right in there, and I believe at Home Depot is where I got it. Or you can call the Snap-on tool truck and pay, I don't even know, $40, $50, $60 for the right one. But that seems to work just fine. It just slides right on in. I didn't have to do any grinding or nothing. It's small enough to fit in there. So I hope this helps somebody out. You do have to have a special socket or a cheapo socket, or you have to grind it down. Do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always, guys, enjoy.